Rock Karens.
Rock Karens. Rock Karens. Not Karens.
Karens.
Rock Karens.
Karens.
Rock Karens. Do you not hear a difference?
No.
Rock Karens versus Karens.
No. Yeah, does she sound like she's saying Karens, Karens?
Sounds the same to me.
I know.
Karens.
Sounds different in my head.
In real life, it sounds pretty much the same.
Rock Karens.
Karens?
Rock Karens.
Rock Karens.
I give up.
Rock Karens.
Karens.
Yeah, rock
Karens.
Karen.
Karens.
Well, Rock Karens.
So we're right there.
I'm walking this way because every time you do a video, it's my butt in my bag. So I'm just gonna
You're
start
gonna fall
walking like
and
this.
you're gonna bust your ass.
At least you'll have it on video.
This is different.
Yeah, let's grab this. It's just a circle, but we can take that.
That's how you have to walk.
Don't get yeeted off the edge. Stay back from the edge.
It looks like he's trying to do a.
Down there on the bottom right there? Like
The
went
white
off the
one?
wall? Yeah. What is like whoever like eroded this? It's like weird. Where did it come from? Well yeah, it's like green, it's like that's like mossy stuff, but like it's like weirdly
Purple.
cut up. Oh, that is awesome.
This rock is over your head.
Oh my gosh.
So I figured about 6-7 feet. It went up my 10.
Be careful, Tyson. You don't end up like this clown. Yay! These are kind of cool too. The ledges here, like little kind of mossy undergrown here. Hidden
The hidden wild.
hidden Cuyahoga beaver.
What shall you tell me?
Let's see if we can find any of these guys. This is what should be here.
We need to find the hidden Cuyahoga beaver.
He's right there behind me.
No.
Beaver Marsh. In search of the hidden Cuyahoga beaver.
Do you see him?
No, found no hidden beaver. No hidden Cuyahoga beaver. It's the worst day ever. This place sucks. Hold on. To the... Put that down. Always listen to that.
Feed.
To the otter. Always listen to the otter.
This is my
Fine.
sign.
I like this one better. To the otter. Beautiful otter. To the beaver. Always listen to the beautiful otter. There's nothing about your mom or anything in there, Jackie, so.
Wishes for feet.
Wishes for feet. What's over?
Wishes for feet.
Do they have like an it? Or he or she in the pronouns?
No, what are you doing?
Get out of here. This is my sign.
Oh, Always listen to the beautiful valley.
Yeah.
It's not even half as good as the otter.
Yours makes no sense.
Yes, it does.
Always listen to the beautiful otter wishes for food, for feed.
Wishes for feed instead of wishes for.
I'm just recording this in case one of you goes down. It's more likely going to be me, given my track record of falling in mountainsides when I'm playing with my GoPro. I don't have a good record.
You're supposed to look at your feet. That's
I am. I'm actually just looking at my feet.
like you are.
I am.
Oh, no, you are.
I'm not as dumb as you think I might be.